1 2 3 mic testing. Let's go.
Hello.
सुजीत भैया थोड़ा hello बोलो hello.
Hello, hi.
That is my sister. We are not twins. Look. We are not twins. But today we are cooking up dinner for our entire family.
We're cooking lasagna.
We're making a one-pot lasagna for me, Didi, Jiju, Ayush, and Mummy Papa. That's it. Deepu is not here today. वो office पे है.
Working.
And it's not his good day. The mess that we have made is insane. Do you want to see it? Crazy. So we have already made the white sauce. White sauce बन चुका है. अभी हम क्या बना रहे हैं?
She says we, but it's not we.
Excuse me. Ingredients किसने लाए हैं?
Sure.
Now we are making a one pot lasagna. अगर आपको कभी भी you're feeling lazy या कुछ भी तो आप हमेशा बना सकते हो. ये रेसिपी हम दोनों की है ना रेसिपी तो.
अच्छा ठीक है.
कोई भी नहीं बोलेगा कि मैं एल्डर लगती हूँ ये यंगर लगती है. Shut up. Please just shut up. I am the younger one. She is the elder one. इसकी शादी हो चुकी है. ये शादीशुदा है. मैं कोई शादीशुदा नहीं हूँ.
होने वाली.
There's time. There's a lot of time. आइए आज हम आपको मिलाते हैं सुजीत भैया से.
सुजीत भाई.
हाय बोलो जरा. हमारे घर
Everyone who
के.
knows us knows him.
Yeah.
Yeah. So step 1 is basically you chop all your veggies. We have carrot, capsicum, bell peppers, broccoli, baby corn. So basically we cooked it all in this red tomato puree. So while she is working on the lasagna ka base, I am working on the guac for the fully loaded nachos. Other than that, on the menu we also have a plum cake. मैंने plum cake लाई थी. Me and Didi were very tempted to have it. तो हमने अभी खा ली.
और बहुत
और
अच्छी.
अभी हमारे घर के गेस्ट के लिए कुछ नहीं था तो I had to order
They
another
are
plum
not
cake.
guests, but yeah.
I mean जिसके लिए हम खाना बना रहे हैं, we are the hosts ना. So we had to order another plum cake because ये तो हम ही खा गए आधी. And like literally we have eaten half of it. It is too good, guys. You should try a plum cake if you've never tried one. It's very nice.
But
मुझे
I
बहुत
don't
पसंद
think like everyone will like it. Like
है. हाँ ना.
हाँ,
मतलब वो थोड़ी सी सब ड्राई फ्रूट टाइप
ड्राई
केक
फ्रूट
है.
जैसा है, but
And plus हमने तो वेज खाई है, ठीक है. All I want for Christmas
किधर है?
is you. Very good quality avocado this is.
I think we should keep it for other people also to have.
हाँ तो दो है ना. हाँ चल tell me one thing that you are taking into 2026 but from 2025.
Taking with me,
Yes.
as in traveling for sure. That's what I want to keep taking forward also. Do you think travel shapes your personality? This is a conversation I had with someone recently.
Okay.
That it's genuinely for yourself. It's for your soul. When you travel, you meet people from different cultures, you have different food, you just change your scenery completely. And don't you think it actually shapes your personality in ways you cannot do it?
I agree. I think that when you travel, especially abroad, you let out a personality of yourself जो आप otherwise यहाँ पे use ही नहीं करोगे. Like यहाँ पे
Correct.
you behave like a certain way, but when you go out, you allow yourself to be a person जो आप यहाँ पे नहीं रह पाते हो. Like you know यहाँ पे you're just you, but there you are a version of you that you know exists, but it cannot exist over here. So I think travel आपको वो liberty देता है to be that
Wait,
person.
from Tamasha.
Yeah, like क्योंकि वहाँ पे कोई जज नहीं कर रहा, आप किसी को जानते नहीं हो, so it doesn't really matter who you are over there, and that is so fun. We should make focaccia once, Didi, like a Sunday afternoon focaccia we should
Sunday
make.
brunch.
Yeah, nice bechamel sauce, which is the white sauce, smelling good.
Thanks, sis.
चलो बताओ.
But add some ghee, add some maida, then put some milk.
तो मैदा
stir
बनाया
it.
है.
Throw in some chili flakes, salt, and oregano, and you have a white sauce ready.
And also we are making this like a one pot thing without lasagna sheets because हमें lasagna sheets कहीं मिली ही नहीं. We are making it with bread. ये दीदी का idea था to make it with bread.
But
She's-
my husband told me to do this because he's
They have
a
made
nice
it.
chef.
They have made this before and apparently it turns out really nice. Then we are going to roll our bread. We're gonna add that. We're gonna add cheese. We're gonna add mozzarella, the bechamel, all of it, and then it's gonna be one big pot.
And we think this much is enough for 6 people का dinner. But our mom thinks कि ये बहुत कम है क्योंकि
उसके
उसके दो
दामाद आ
दामाद आ
रहे
रहे हैं. So apparently she's gonna get more stuff for us to make.
She's like, एक lasagna must uthai.
She wants to serve sandwiches, Thai
No, she
rice.
wants to get cheese chili toast. I will get Thai curry. I will get rice. Basil is like very important. I think any Italian dish, basil will always like just take it to the next level.
When was the last time you had lasagna? And which was the best lasagna you've had?
I'm not a very big lasagna girl. Like अगर मैं Italian restaurant में गई हूँ and if menu पे lasagna है और risotto है, most likely I will end up ordering a risotto and not a lasagna. But I ate lasagna last at a wedding. एक शादी में खाया था मैंने और वो बहुत अच्छा था. Like it was too good. He was making it live and like then he was baking it and giving it in like cups and something like that. It was very good, incredible.
Last cup had I don't remember, but the best one I've had is in Spain.
Yeah, but you got veg in Spain.
It was 100% vegan restaurant where we had
Oh,
lasagna,
yeah, vegan restaurants में only you can get.
which was in Malaga, and we had to book 2 weeks prior, and
Yeah.
it was the best lasagna we've ever had.
1 second, someone's on the door. So she had one of the best lasagna of her life in
Spain.
Spain. You're not in pain. You're just not in Spain. I think I want to go to Spain. On the spot, meet my dad. Say hi to my dad. Papa, say hi.
The sasur
Merry
of two
Christmas
damads.
to all.
Yes. ये हमारा guac ready है, sour cream ready है, nachos ready है. We're not doing baked beans.
I think both the sauces are ready.
So now we're gonna just assemble everything. Jiju is here. Jiju, say hi. So the red sauce is ready. इसमें we have all the veggies, tomato puree, tomato ketchup नहीं डाला ना, नहीं, sorry, chili sauce, pizza pasta sauce and थोड़ा seasoning. और ये हमारा white sauce है. And now we are using bread instead of lasagna sheets because we didn't find lasagna sheets. ये हमारा mess है, ignore. But yeah, Didi is cutting the bread. She cuts the bread. She'll dip it in water and then she will layer one by one. And our lasagna is ready. Look at the layers. 1, 2, 3, 4. Crazy. अब ये जाएगा oven के अंदर to bake. And I think it'll turn out very very good once it's baked.
Performance pressure है.
आज दीदी पे मैंने जोरदार परफॉर्मेंस प्रेशर डाला है पूरा दिन. Let's go, let's go.
पूरा शरीर.
How is the lasagna? Did you like it?
Too good.
How is the lasagna?
First time in life.
Jiju, how was the lasagna? हाँ अभी भी मुझे पूछ पकड़.
ये वीडियो का तात्पर्य ये है.
It was very good, guys. Very very good lasagna.
खुद ही बना दिया खुद ही तारीफ कर दिया.
खिचड़ी.
Hello. So it is the next day, and then we started playing cards after eating the lasagna, so I couldn't film. But that lasagna did not taste great, and I'll tell you why. हमने protein bread use किया था. You're supposed to use normal white bread. If you use protein bread to make it healthy, it's not going to work. वो इतना ज़्यादा dry हो गया था. It soaked up everything, and it was just not the vibes. But if you use white bread, then the whole recipe is really good and you can really make it and promise अच्छा taste करेगा because Dee has made it before and it was great. कोई problem नहीं आई थी. So yeah, that I will put all the details of the recipe in the caption. Please like, share, follow, subscribe, all of that. And I will see you next time. Bye.